What is Alcatraz prison? Alcatraz is a famous prison. It is on an island. The island is in San Francisco. Alcatraz is very secure. It holds dangerous criminals. People call it the Rock. Why is it so famous? No one escaped from Alcatraz. It is very difficult. The water is cold. The guards are strict. Who escapes from Alcatraz? 3 men try to escape. Their names are Frank Morris, also John Anglin, and Clarence Anglin. They are smart and brave. They want freedom. Why do they escape? Life is hard in prison. They want a new life. They plan everything carefully. They work together. They are very determined. Their story is amazing. What is their escape plan? They make a clever plan. They dig holes in the walls. They use simple tools. They work at night. They hide their work. They are very secretive. They make a raft. They use raincoats for it. They also make fake heads. The heads trick the guards. The plan is very detailed. They think of everything. How do they make tools? They use spoons and forks. They also use old saws. They make fake vent covers. The covers hide their work. The covers look real. They are very creative. They find materials in prison. They use what they find. They work slowly and carefully. They hide everything well. The guards do not see. Their plan is very smart. The prisoners make dummy heads. They use soap and paper. They also use paint and hair. The heads look very real. The guards see the heads. They think the men sleep. This fools the guards easily. The prisoners work at night. They put heads on beds. The guards do not know. The prisoners are very clever. They use simple materials. This helps them escape. The escape happens at night. The prisoners leave their cells. They move very quietly. They crawl through small holes. The holes are in the walls. They dig these holes before. The guards do not hear. The prisoners are very careful. They carry tools with them. They use these to escape. They are very determined. They want their freedom. The prisoners reach a corridor. This is a utility corridor. They move through it silently. It is dark and cold. The corridor leads outside. The prisoners are not seen. They know the way well. They plan this for months. The corridor is long. They keep moving forward. They stay quiet and calm. The guards do not notice. The prisoners are brave. The prisoners make a raft. They use raincoats for it. They collect many raincoats. They sew them together. This makes a strong raft. The raft holds 3 men. They also make paddles. The paddles are from wood. They find wood on Alcatraz. They work together on this. The raft is very important. It helps them cross water. The escape plan is complete. The men leave their cells. They climb through the holes. They reach the roof quietly. They use a homemade raft. The raft is made of raincoats. They paddle away from Alcatraz. The water is cold and dark. They aim for the mainland. The escape is very dangerous. They hope to reach freedom. The night hides their escape. They disappear into the night. Morning comes to Alcatraz Island. Guards check the cells. They find the empty beds. The fake heads fool the guards. The guards sound the alarm. A search begins immediately. The police join the search. Boats circle the island quickly. Helicopters fly over the water. The escape is big news. Everyone talks about it. The search lasts many days. The men are not found. People wonder about the escapees. Did they reach the shore? Some think they drown. Others believe they survive. The water is very cold. It is hard to swim. No bodies are ever found. Some people report sightings. Theories grow over the years. The mystery remains unsolved. The escape fascinates many people. Books and movies tell the story. The truth is still unknown. The escape changes Alcatraz forever. It shows the prison's weaknesses. People talk about the escape. It becomes a famous story. The escape inspires many movies. It is a part of history. Alcatraz closes again. People visit Alcatraz today. They learn about the escape. The story is exciting and daring. It shows human courage and hope. The escape is a legend now.